As more Americans run to SUVs, the quantity of automakers as yet contending in conventional car fragments has contracted. However, Toyota still observes a market of purchasers for full-estimate cars and accordingly is revealing a fifth-age Avalon. Since it rides on an indistinguishable TNGA stage from the 2018 Camry, the upgraded 2019 Avalon additionally profits by a considerable lot of the Camry's advances in powertrain and stage building. Be that as it may, maybe what will make the most buzz in the post-CES atmosphere is Toyota's choice to offer Apple CarPlay. Toyota had been in a lawful growl with Apple and Google about their refusal to completely reveal the workings and security conventions of their back-end programming, so Toyota had been utilizing its own particular restrictive Entune programming, with blended outcomes. Toyota administrators had client security concerns, for example, outsider applications following vehicle area, and what Apple, Google, and outsiders would do with that data. We were concerned they would need vehicle data, access to the ECU. That was a hard line for us, said Avalon boss specialist Randy Stevens. By offering Avalon with CarPlay, it shows up Toyota has smoothed things over with Apple. Concerning Google, Android gadgets, in any case, Toyota's official statement says the Avalon will incorporate savvy watches with Alexa-empowered voice availability, which works with either Apple or Android gadgets. Be that as it may, the automaker won't offer Android Auto with the Avalon's 9.0-inch infotainment screen, which can be squeezed and flicked like a cell phone. Toyota likewise alludes to the Avalon's infotainment framework as Entune 3.0, so it won't not abandon the exclusive programming diversion altogether. Entune will permit associated administrations for security and vehicle administration, and it includes an accessible Wi-Fi problem area fueled by Verizon. Should you wish to wrench the stereo, the standard sound framework has 14 speakers, and the discretionary rendition brags a 1,200-watt, 7.1-channel JBL framework that utilizations clarify to fill in information lost by media pressure programming. Notwithstanding the focal reassures infotainment framework, the Avalon has a 7.0-inch show and the instrument group to indicate vehicle data, route steps, and different vehicle and well-being settings. Notwithstanding the simple speedometer, the Avalon incorporates a computerized speedometer in the focal show menu. The 2019 Avalon's outline includes more wrinkles in precision, maybe following the Nissan Maxima marginally, and is longer, lower, and more extensive than some time recently. Its new outline includes a tricky 0.27 CD. Inside the Avalon's normal wood and calfskin arrangements, the middle support incorporates an e-canister with a 12-volt plug, 3 USB control ports, the Avalon has 5 altogether, and a standard Qi remote gadget charger. Toyota likewise composed one of the Avalon's middle reassure cup holders to serve as a gadget holder. On the driving front, the 2019 Avalon will offer a redesigned adaptation of Toyota's 3.5-liter V6 and in addition the 4-barrel half-and-half powertrain likewise offered in the Camry. Despite the fact that Toyota did not give correct power figures for the motors, both are comparable dimensionally and have indistinguishable pressure proportions to the Camry's power plants, 301 horsepower and 267 pounds-to-foot for the 2GR FKS V6 and 208 aggregate framework torque for the 4-banger crossbreed. The front-drive V6 is mated to an 8-speed torque converter programmed transmission. Touring and XSE models get controlling wheel-mounted or shifters with rev-coordinating downshifts. The mixture utilizes a CVT, and its batteries are currently mounted under the rearward sitting arrangement rather than the storage compartment. The Avalon has never been a lively vehicle, particularly given its normally geriatric purchaser statistic, yet that isn't preventing Toyota from endeavoring to give the car more snap. The 2019 model offers dynamic variable suspension with versatile damping, front and back G sensors, and freewheel control by means of stun-mounted solenoid control valves. Toyota says the framework can look over 650 damping ventures in 20 milliseconds. The old back suspension setup of a double-connection McPherson strut has been supplanted by a multi-link setup, which has extended the track and brought down the Avalon's focal point of gravity. To additionally wrench up the fun, the Avalon has dynamic clamor control, an ignition sound generator, and motor sound improvement. All trims get Eco, Normal, and Sport modes, and touring trims additionally get a Sport Plus setting. We'll need to drive the Avalon to let you know whether any of these have any effect to the driving knowledge. On the well-being front, standard highlights incorporate walker identification, radar voyage control, path takeoff caution with controlling help, programmed high bars, 10 airbags, steadiness control, footing control, ABS with brake help and electronic brake drive appropriation, and a standard reinforcement camera. Notwithstanding Toyota redesigning the Avalon sequential construction system in Georgetown, Kentucky, imparted to Camry, the new TNGA stage takes into account more particular bundling on hold to additionally enhance fabricate quality, said Susan Elkington, leader of Toyota Motor Manufacturing Kentucky. The new stage's motor and coolant framework configuration enables Toyota to collect both as a unit preceding being introduced in the body structure, which additionally enhances the ergonomics for assembly line laborers. Toyota likewise diminished the space important for body welds by decreasing number of welds in the inflexibility procedure, depending more on laser welding and holding, Elkington said. The 2019 Avalon will go marked down in pre-summer. Evaluating was not declared.